Hello everyone out there. Today we are going to discuss HSC board timetable for 2025 examination, and it's for arts only. Okay, so you have to be very careful about each day, about each timing and each subject which I am mentioning here. Okay, so now please pay attention and we are just quickly gonna discuss everything. Okay, so yeah, let us begin. So, as we all know, our exam is starting from 11th Feb 2025. Okay, so it will be our first exam, which is English. Okay, 11th Feb 2025. The day is Tuesday, and our first exam is English, and it will be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so another thing I would like to add, just don't think that your exam is every day will be on the same time. No, you have to be very careful about each day's exam timetable. Okay, it's changing. Okay, so you have to pay attention every day before going to exam. Even before a day of exam, you have to just be careful. I have to make sure when I have exam tomorrow. Okay, it's not like that you will have the same day every day. No, as you can see, your first three languages exams will be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. But after that we have another schedule. It's from afternoon. Okay, so it's in afternoon. It will be from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Again, then last exam will be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so you have to pay attention over everything. Okay, so but like of course everyone is careful about date and the subject, but many people miss about timing. They get confused sometimes. Oh, yesterday was also the same timing, so probably today will also be the same. No, it's not like that. Okay, even if you are sure, then also you have to check again. Okay, so yeah, as we already discussed, first exam will be on Tuesday. It will be English exam from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. When it will be on, yeah, correct, 11 Feb 2025. Okay, now if you have Hindi, or see, either you will have Hindi or Marathi. Okay, one of them. So if you have Hindi, it will be also on same time. Okay, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Your languages will be same time. It will be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Clear? Yeah, so if you have Hindi, it will be on Wednesday, which is 12th Feb. Okay, but if you have Marathi, it will be also on same timing, but the date will be changed. Okay, it will be on 13th Feb. Okay, okay, so now we are done with languages. English, Hindi, Marathi, सब चीज हो गई. Now we are done with the language. Another exam, our next exam will be on 20th Feb. See, you are getting 1 week gap here. Okay, your last exam will be on Marathi, like last language exam will be Marathi, which is Tuesday. Uske बाद directly you have to go another Tuesday. Okay, which will be political science. Okay, so political science में जाना है directly आपको 13th के बाद. The date is 20th Feb, Thursday, and yeah, from here your exam will be from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, ओके नाउ सो अगर आपका एग्जाम क्या 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. है, तो क्या आप 3 बजे का आपका ये गोल होगा कि मैं 3 बजे जाऊँ एंड डायरेक्टली बैठ के लिख दूँ एग्जाम? नो नो, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. ओके, यू हैव टू रीच टिल 2:30 at least. If you can reach till 2:15, great, but last to last you have to reach at 2:30 if you have exam at 3. Okay, here your exam will start from 11 a.m. so you have, when you have to reach, yeah, correct, you have to reach till 10:30, last to last. Okay, if you can reach 15 minutes earlier to this, like 15 minutes earlier to 10:30, great, no problem. Okay, but don't be late. Okay, yeah, so we have discussed till political science, which will be on 20th Feb. Okay, now it's your last exam. Okay, in Feb, got it? Now directly you have to attend your exam on 1st March. Okay, new month. Okay, February and now March start, and it will be on Saturday. Economics, same 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, now next exam, another another holiday. Okay, you will get 4 days of gap here after economics, which is 5th March. It will be Wednesday. Okay, if you have psychology, your exam will be on Wednesday, 5th March. Okay, same time, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, now many people will ask me, I am also from, you will say I am also from psychology, but I don't have, sorry, yeah, you will say I am also from arts, but I don't have psychology. So you don't have but many arts student have psychology, that's why I have mentioned here. Okay, so if you have psychology, you have to be careful about the date, time and everything, but if you don't have psychology, just ignore it. Okay, now next, geography. It will be on 7th March, Friday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Clear? Now your second last exam, it's history. Same time, it will be Saturday. Okay, and 8 March 2025. Okay, it's your second last exam. Now last exam, it will be sociology. And see here, आपके जिस टाइम पे लैंग्वेजेस थे, उस टाइम पे ही आपका लास्ट एग्जाम, यानी कि जिस दिन आपकी शुरू हुई थी चीज़ें, जिस टाइम पे सी, अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पे आपका एग्जैक्ट 1 महीने के बाद एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो रहा है। 11 फेब से शुरू हो रहा है एंड 11 मार्च को ख़त्म हो रहा है। इवन टाइमिंग भी सेम है। ठीक है, 1 महीने जिस दिन से आपने शुरू किया था, उसी टाइम उसी दिन हर चीज़ 1 महीने के बाद एंड हो जाएगी। तो ये जो आपका अब तक का टाइम पीरियड है 11 मार्च तक का, यू हैव टू गिव योर 100% एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट योर शेड्यूल, अबाउट योर टाइम, अबाउट योर स्टडी, अबाउट योर हैबिट्स, एवरीथिंग। ओके, गिव योर 100%, दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम यू हैव। ओके, अदरवाइज अगर आपने हर चीज़ सेक्रीफाइस करके अभी सब कर लिया, तो ज़िंदगी भर याद रखो कि भाई जो भी रिजल्ट आया, आई गेव माई 100%, वो एक अलग सी फीलिंग होती। ठीक है, लेकिन अगर इस टाइम पे टाइम बर्बाद कर दिया, तो वो लाइफ टाइम का रिग्रेट रहेगा कि यार मुझे पता है मैं थोड़ा और अच्छा कर सकता था या कर सकती थी, लेकिन बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट आई वॉज केयरलेस, सो आई डेंट गिव माई 100%, बट मैं दे सकता था। फिर वो अपने आप से नाराज़गी कहीं ना कहीं। उससे अच्छा है कि थोड़ी देर का प्लेजर छोड़ दो भाई, फ़ोन चलाना, घूमना फिरना, जस्ट क्विट इट। ठीक है, अपने आप को आईने में देख के बोलना है कि आई गेव माई 100%, जो भी रिजल्ट है उसको एक्सेप्ट कर पाओगे, वरना क्या होगा, दुख होगा और रिग्रेट होगा, और उसके बाद क्या कुछ कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू नथिंग आफ्टर दैट। सो दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विथ एवरीथिंग। ठीक है, so last exam will be sociology, which will be on 11th March, Tuesday, and 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so these are this is our timetable for 2025 एग्जामिनेशन आर्ट्स। ओके, मैंने काफ़ी जगहों पे देखा कि वहाँ पे साइंस वालों की हर जगह बात हो रही है, एंड कॉमर्स वालों को भी, बहुत बड़े यूट्यूबर्स जो हमारे फेमस है उन्होंने भी शेयर किया, बट आर्ट्स को बहुत ही ऐसा पीछे रखा जा रहा है। तो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट, so that's why I am here for you today. Hope you find this video helpful, and अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, विथ योर क्लासमेट्स, विथ योर बैचमेट्स. ओके, एंड इफ यू फाइंड इट helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Oh no, wait, don't quit. All the very best from my side, and I know you're gonna rock it, you are gonna kill it. Just give your 100%, that's all I have to say, and you can make it happen. Okay, best of luck, you are gonna kill it. Bye bye, see you, thanks for watching.